Well, the question of need is definitely up to you as the consumer, but would I recommend it? I definitely would recommend getting a patch test because one, this is an investment in your beauty. So who wants to make an investment in their beauty and then after getting the service done, you learn that you have some sort of allergy or an allergic reaction to the products that were used or whatever the case may be, or you just figure out that after just a time period of thinking about it in between getting that service done and getting the patch test and just waiting it out the 24 to 48 hour period, that you're having buyer's remorse or you're regretting investing in the service. So I definitely would recommend getting a patch test, but it's always up to you as a consumer. And most beauty professionals are going to recommend you have a patch test done. And especially if you know that you have any type of sensitivities or you are allergic to this or allergic to that, then I definitely would recommend going forward with a patch test for the services.